Uh, Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Autopsy tool to recover deleted files from a disk image. Here, I'm assuming that I already have one or more disk images that I have already installed, and I've already installed Autopsy. As you can see, the dog icon on the top left corner of my desktop. Now, let me show you step by step how to use this tool. Uh, First, when you come and see in this raw image that I have here, when you open it, there is nothing. So, okay, now we're going to use Autopsy to recover deleted files from the disk image. So, click on Autopsy. Sorry. All right, as you can see, we have three options: new case, open recent case, and open case. So we're going to click on new case. And then here we can enter the case information. So I can say video tutorial. And then this is browse. You put the directory where you want this file to be at. So I'll say desktop, select, and then next. And then here you put optional information, so case number, name. As you can see, the title is optional information, so you don't have to put it. So I'll just put here case number 1 for future reference. Finish. Okay, now in this step you're going to select disk image as the type of data source. So we have disk image selected, and then we go to next. And now on this next step, you have to select a raw disk image you want to input. For example, in our case, we're going to use case 3 raw. So when we browse, uh, we come to this PC. It's right here. So we use it as input, open, open. Sorry, it's in the desktop. Case underscore 3 dot raw, open. And then we're going to click next. And in this step, we're going to deselect all. So this is the select ingest module. So you have to select the ingest module that is related to the feature being tested. For metadatabase deleted file recovery, no ingest module is needed, whereas for file carving, photo recover has to be selected. So since we're doing metadatabase, we deselect all and click next. And then finally, click finish. Okay, as you can see here, now you go on the left panel and click on deleted files. This shows you all files that were deleted and were able to be recovered. Okay, so you click on all. As you can see, there is AA2M, which shows a 2 megabyte file that was just filled with a bunch of A's, as you can see here on the side. And you can scroll right. As you can see, there are 128 pages, so you can keep looking. And the other file that was able to be recovered was BB1M, and it's a 1 megabyte file filled with B's. And as you can see, there are 64 pages full of B's, so you can go and check and see if anything has been modified. Thank you very much.